I didn't set out to revive this forgotten pigment. I went looking for it, but it simply wasn't there. No swatches, no paint, no surviving reference of how it was ever truly made. So I stopped searching for answers and followed the chemistry instead. Step by step, I worked backwards, not from what I could find, but from what it had to be. And eventually, it appeared. Not perfectly controlled, not fully predictable, but undeniably there. And after refining it, this is the result of my manganese green.